Hi, this is Jay Harris with Infinitybox, and in this video I want to talk about some of the advanced troubleshooting and diagnostic features that are built into your Infinitybox system. Specifically, I want to talk about the error log. The entire system has a lot of processing power and a lot of intelligence built into it. The MASTERCELL in particular watches continuously different parameters in your system. Things like your battery voltage, things like temperature, things like the charge pump voltage in each of the power cells. And it watches these values very carefully. And if any of these go out of what it expects to see, it records that in the error log. So if you're having issues setting up and getting your system to run correctly, one of our technicians may ask you to run the error log. And to do that, you simply press the home and scroll down buttons together, you hold them for 1 second, and you let them go. On the Insight screen on the MASTERCELL, it will start to display any errors that the MASTERCELL has detected in the system. There are 8 different memory locations, and it will indicate what the error is, the information wrapped around that, and the time from the last power up that this event happened. Again, one of our technicians will ask you to do this, and usually the most effective way to manage this is to take a cell phone or a video camera and shoot a quick video of what's happening in the error log and send that to Infinitybox so we can understand what's going on in your system. It takes about 20 seconds to run through the entire error log, and it gives us a lot of information if you're having problems getting your system operating correctly. So if you have any additional questions, you can give our team a call at 847-232-1991, or you can access our website at www.infinitybox.com. If you like content like this, be sure to hit the bell icon below to subscribe so when we post new videos, you get notified. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.